everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how we can extract state-wise, country-wise or district-wise data from a shapefile in QGIS. For that, we will going to need one shapefile and one CSV file. So I'm going to show you this in this video. Let us first import shapefile. So I'm going to do this whole video on vector layer. So I'm going to extract a vector layer, and for this I have chosen the Indian domain. So I'm going to add it. So this is our country, India, with state boundary. So my intention is to extract state-wise data. Now I'm going to import another file, which is a CSV file that has latitude, longitude and value. You can have one set of value or a couple or multiple set of values also. So we are going to import the delimited text, and from there I'm going to import a CSV file, and this CSV file, as you can see, contains latitude, longitude and there is a number of values in the column. So I'm going to import this on the top of the vector layer. So this is a regular gridded data. So I have imported this data on the top of on the vector layer. Now first we have to clip the data so that we can get only those points which are only lying on the Indian domain. So for that I will go to vector, and from geoprocessing tool I will choose clip, and in overlay layer you have to choose the name of the shapefile that you have imported. We're going to run it. It will take a couple of seconds depending on how large your data are. So this for the I'm going to do it with for a state-wise data. You can also do it for district-wise data if you have district shape layers. So I'm going to off this gridded file, and then you'll be able to see only the clipped data, which only lies over the Indian domain. So now I'm going to vector layer. From there I'm going to data management tool. From there I'm going to choose join attributes by location. In base layer you have to again put the shapefile that you have imported, then you will click on run. So the layer was joined. So we will check the joint layer. We'll see this in attribute table. So as you can see, now we have, I can short this with the states, with the name of the states. For example, I'm going to off this. So for example, in West Bengal, as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 points. So we're going to check whether in West Bengal we have 7 points or not in the joined layers. So as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So these are the 7 points that are lying over West Bengal, and we have extracted it successfully. Likewise, if we go all the way down, we have all the states, and here you can see the corresponding values. Now if you want to save this join layer in CSV file for your further use, you can just go to layer, then save as. You can give any name and you can select your desired uh, directory and folder. So I'm going to name it as a temperature state underscore 1. I'm going to save it. Okay, so uh, as you can see, we have saved this in this folder in the name temperature state underscore 1. So it will take some time. I don't know what has happened. um, let's try again. Okay, read only. I think some weird thing happened, so let's try again. um, we are again going to save this layer. I will just remove this from this layer and I will save it in some other directory, for example in this directory, and I will name it as state underscore 2. Okay, click on OK and let's see whether this time we are successful or not. Okay, yes, okay, and then again read only. These files are basically read only. Okay, now as you can see, we have state wise. These are the states, name of the states, corresponding longitude, latitude, and the value. As you can see, this is, excuse me, as you can see, this is one state which is Andhra Pradesh. Its corresponding longitude, latitude, and the subsequent values. So by this method, using QGIS, we can easily do this state-wise extraction of files. Okay, thank you for watching my video. If you like and you find that this is useful, then please like and share this video. Thank you.